Yo, what's good? What's happening? It's got like 3 sevens. Y'all know what it is. But on my ID, it says it's Swatlins. I'm my dog. So, this is another video with us here on the channel. I hope you guys liked, subbed, and even commented by now. Come on, I know we're 10 seconds in, but y'all gotta do that. So, I'm just about to drop like some gems, guys. Some gems. You know, every time I learn something new, I come back here on the channel. I say, drop that fire because I can't learn alone, and this is just something I just recently learned. It's called algorithmic ranges, guys. And yeah, I don't really have a good understanding on it yet, so I'm not even gonna try explaining to you guys like the concept behind it because I don't even know as yet. But don't ask me where I know it from. I just, it's something I didn't figure out at all. Again, I'm not gonna take credit. A lot of the shit I use is like a lot of the shit I use on my trading concepts are not mine at all. By it's made by brilliant minds, very brilliant minds in the forex industry, who have been in this game for way longer than Usbasha and who know what the fuck they're trying to do. So let's just get to it, guys. No, actually, it's backtest. We off backtested like most of Nasdaq. Let me see if I can try here. They'll let me. Yeah. So basic concept of algorithmic ranges, guys. Yeah, at least me, guys. Yeah, basic concept of algorithmic ranges is basically 80, 50, and 20 numbers, or the other way around. So 20, 50, 80, 80, 50, 20. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 80, 50, and 20 numbers, right? By that, what do I mean? So let's just find a footprint, supply demand zone, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, guys, this is a classic supply and demand zone right here. Let's see if price does actually come back to this zone right here. But most basically, what I'm trying to explain is we look for price reversals at the 80, 50, and 20 numbers. You feel me? That's basically what we do. What do they say? Hope y'all can hear the breeze, man. I fucking love this nigga's music. They say, yeah, doing what we wanna, we don't really care about what they say. Yeah, let's just let it. So, like 80, 50, and 20 numbers, okay? Remember that. This works on mostly USD currencies type shit, but also works on GJ. Hold up, GJ. Hold up. It also works on GJ. So, yeah. So, let's go on the alley now. Let's flip in. Remember, we're stalking this fucking chart. We're waiting for it to retest the zone right here and then give us nine entries. Then I'll show you how to enter all these algorithmic ranges. Yeah, let's let it flow. Shit. Here's the deal. Mm, put on my check. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, so we're within the range, guys. We're within the range. We go down to the 15 minute now. We understand it's a 4 hour valid zone. Might not even respect it. I'm not really quite sure. I didn't check up that much. So yeah, as you guys can see, it is a valid 4 hour zone to break this previous structure, so it is very valid. So 15 minute. Pull up for my check. Please don't make me pull up for my check. Please don't make me. Okay, so we look for 80. So first, we look for 80, 50, and 20 numbers within the range. So as you can see, like over here, 20 number isn't within the range. The number that is the 50 numbers. It's just 50, 80, 20. Hello, baby, pull up for my check. 20, 50, 80. Jesus be my niggas with the prayer. So within these numbers, right here, all these numbers. So you guys see 50, 80, 20, right? 50, 80, 20. And then the fuck is this? Oh, those are prices. Yeah, so it's 50, 80, 20, right? And that 30 is just where prices right now. And then we get another 50, and then the 80, and the 20s up here, right? So we look for reversals at this particular price level. So as we can see, price went up into this range, wicked out, hit the 50, hit the 80, but still didn't give us no candle confirmation. We can't even enter. Price went up again, didn't give us even at least any kind of confirmation, nothing, but we see that structure's going down, like pressure, not structure, momentum and pressure, and whatever the order flow is basically lessening, as you can see, like long candles, short candles, wick to the upside. Then we see a nice doji candle to the downside, or you call this an evening star, whatever you want to call it. This whole candle confirmation is evening star, but this particular one is a doji at the 80. It wicks the doji, it wicks the 80 with a doji. This would have been a nice entry confirmation, but for further confirmation, this is it. A reversal, long bearish candle, and we enter. We realize, okay, cool. This would have been a great entry at the 1580, but entering at the 50 or between the 50 or the 20, one of the two, okay, which is a very safe entry. It's within the area. Please don't make me pull up on my chicken. Please don't make me. That's a big ass stop loss. So 50 pips. This one would have been nice. This would be like a 20 pip stop. Beautiful risk reward. We're gonna place the chair like 50% of the wick. Mm, 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 mm. Our target is 100 pips, so it should be here. Still just 100 pips. But just example, nothing much. But let's just leave it here. See, what was the time actually? We should take in consideration the time. Sorry. Um, time. It was around 4:45, so quarter to 5. Cool. It gave us a fake out, so it dropped a little bit. Gave us our signal, gave us a fake out, and yeah, still remember there's a 20 price up here, right? Nah, further away from the 20. Okay, but still, it did give us a reaction of the 80 level, as you guys can see. So again, we're still entering. And yeah, another 50 pip stop. Greater risk reward this time. Let's see if it reverses maybe. Still like, but we entered late, guys. Not gonna lie, like not even late, like two. Starlight, all I see is starlight. Okay, so this didn't work out at all. It's a beautiful night. Like she mind blown. Never on my phone. I just let it ring. So yeah, this is our next zone right here. I just let it ring. Everything I do, I put my heart in it. I don't fuck with. We got on to 50 minute. What's the time? It's still like let's wait for 8 o'clock New York Open, right? That first one didn't work out. That was just a simple zone wipeout. We know exactly what we're doing there. Um, yeah. So yeah, 7 or 8 is good. One more hour might be a bearish hour. Yeah, it is the bearish. I don't know. So yeah, it's around 7, 8 o'clock. I'm late. Look inside my cup. So we could have started from here, but let's just start from here. We could have really started from here, but we understand. So we're looking for an 80 price. Then we look for 20, no, 50, 20. Yeah, 20. There's also the 50 price right here. I just did. I'm going to use these three price ranges. So we're just going to wait for a candle confirmation, guys. Look way high. Yeah, this is enough candle confirmation for me. It's indecision. Fuck. But yeah, we know where the range is, right? Let me 30 pips. Target 100. Yeah, let's wait for it. There we go. Still very, very, very fucking early. We entered very early. We entered around 8 a.m. This was London Open. No, that was actually London Open a.m. We're now transitioning over into the overlap of London End and New York Open. We got this reversal up to the 50, to the 80 actually. Still didn't hit our stop loss of 30 35 pips. And yeah, we're still dropping. Let's see. Still just London session, guys. So we might see an inward reversal upwards. You guys know Nasdaq more than me. I mean, so yeah. Well, there we go, guys. I'm gonna do another example before I go. Why did it stop? There's a reversing. This was not. Yeah, in my open foot. But as you guys can see, came up. Shit. Waiting for TP to be hit. But we did actually hit TP. That's 120 pips. Our TP is always 100 pips. So yeah. She fuego. She got it. There we go. We left the zone. Only pop it if a young say so. It's tradition. When we fuck, we got to jail. So yeah, 120 pips like that. So you guys can see when our bounce off the 50 level gave us a reversal signal. We did enter. Our stop loss was above the 80 level, and then price did come up a little bit. Right, let's say even if our stop was at 30 pips, right? Let's say okay, yeah, 30 pips. Still, we weren't touched. Came up to the 80 level, reversed at the 80 level, and just dropped consistently. Okay, so that was a good example. I'm not gonna lie, an easy 120 pips. But now what I'm trying to do with this is I'm trying to minimize my stop losses to around 10 to 15 pips. Because I'm trying to grow small accounts. So what I realize is like when you find like 2 clips or like 3 clips or 5 clips, you must remember with these brokers like Vault Markets and Vericity. Well, Vericity is gone, and what's this? Trade 245. It's like you can fund that 200, and yes, they'll give you that bonus, and you'll have that 400 or 600, depending on the broker. But then also you must remember that your amounts are small. Your 200 rand. Like I was trading with 200 rand like Friday. I blew it. I was trading with like 200 rand on Friday. I think every 10 pips was 200 rand. Yeah, every 10 pips was 200 rand. So imagine getting taken out by a 10 pip like minor retracement, and then it going your way. You feel me like that? So I was trading Nasdaq, and I realized no, actually, like 10 pips is that 2 clips. So now I'm trying to minimize my stop losses to be at a point where it's like, okay, cool. When you fund a little bit more than this, 2 clips, like 3 clips, 4 clips, I know it's, even if it does my stop loss, I guess my account's not fully blown, you know, and I still have a little bit of cushion up there. If it does hit that 10 pips, then okay, we know we're getting out. So you fund this amount, and you look to keep your stop losses around 10 to 15 pips. What this will do, this will make sure that you have to motherfucking get 9 entries, because you know with your stop loss is always 10 to 15 pips. So now you want to get an entry that that will fit that stop loss, and an entry with very minimal drawdown. That's how you actually flip these small accounts, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And these algorithmic ranges will help me get better entries. Because before I was just entering wherever within the range. Now I know it's okay. At an 80, a 50, and a 20 price, that's where I'm looking to enter. If price creates a footprint, so if price creates a footprint, right? If price does create a footprint right here, okay, wait, yeah. If price does create a footprint, right, just like this, let me just, there's up move, and there's a down move, and there's the up move, and there's the footprint right here that was created. It's just there was the footprint that was created. Now we understand that within this zone right here, right? Price comes back. Price comes back. Price comes back. Now we look for, what are we looking for again? Shit. What are we looking for again? We're looking for we're looking for 80, 50, 20. Remember, we're looking for what? 80, 50 and 20. There's it, 50. I got too much to do. But you feel me? So we know it's okay. Within this price range, we're looking at these numbers. So if you go hit this number right here, and we get our smaller nyana engulfing candle on the 50 minute, and then yeah, we look for entries. Now we understand it's okay, cool. Look for a reaction at one of these zones. Once you get that reaction, we enter with minimal stops, like minimal fucking stops. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it, guys. Let me find another example before this video ends. I think price actually, price dropped after this, right? Um, Woman, the biggest liars. So I'm just gonna look to find another. Okay, let me just do this. Let me let me go at recent price. Let me show you all reactions of very recent price, like very fucking recent. So like 2 3 days ago of when this happened, so you guys can actually see it's okay. This nigga ain't cat. So let's first look at the sell. I hope you guys can see this order block right here that was created. Break of previous structure, retest right over here. Hold on, you. That pride, gotta hold on. Yeah. Look for push up instead of open. There we go. Yeah, I'm singing now. That dog grease is just too much. So that's one tool. Yeah, now you're within the zone. Let's mark out all those levels. So 80. After 80, we get what? 20. 20 level, and get a 50 level right after. Then we get another 80 level. Our 20 levels up here. So we got like 4 levels price could potentially. Okay, so it went up, reacted after 80. Let's see if price does come back. That was not a good example at all. Is it at least? Price went up. There we go. We see the reaction of the 50, right? I hope you all see the reaction of the 50. Stop loss up here. But still 60 pip stops, 60 pip stops. But now what we try to do is we try to make our stops half of the actual like engulfing candle. You feel me? So there's it. So now we're trying to minimize. Remember, we're trying to minimize, right? We're trying to minimize. Our stops are supposed to be up there, but we try to make them half of the engulfing. So let me just do this. Right? Half of the engulfing, dog. Okay, that's stop loss here, dog. It's impossible to make it half the engulfing. Okay. So yeah. I'm waiting for it to play. My fight is hella slow. Damn. It was playing. There we go. So I hope you guys can see, like, even though me minimize my stop losses didn't actually work like at half because it did come back. But like, if your stop loss was 50 pips, you would be clean within this move, and you guys can see like price went retested the 50 level, just stayed between these two price ranges and dropped. You see how refined our entries can get with this. So I want you guys to try it. It's called algorithmic ranges. Try it on GJ more specifically. Try it on AU. Try it on like USD based, but like not the major USD based pairs like Euro and USD. Don't use that. But GBP USD don't use that. Wherever there's manipulation, just the big pairs with the like Euro, GBP, and all that. Don't use that. But AUD, USD, Euro, no, Euro, but I'm trying to get you like use it on, let's say, use it on yen pairs, use it on USD pairs, not the major USD pairs. And then what I've found is that it does work on Nasdaq at certain points. Okay, so remember, guys, just that. Peace.